In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a light and dark mode in Framer with a toggle button. Let's roll up our sleeves and embark on this exciting journey. First things first, navigate to the Assets panel and look for color styles. Here, you will need to create a new color style. You can name it anything you like, for instance, primary. What you've created now is the light mode version, as it will be set as such by default. Once your light mode version is set, you can move on to defining its dark mode counterpart. Click on the tab labeled Dark. Here, you'll have the opportunity to let your creativity shine. Set any colors you prefer for your dark theme. Being consistent with your color palette helps maintain a visually appealing and cohesive design, so make sure you're happy with your selection. When you've decided on your dark theme colors, repeat this process for every color you want to theme within your layout. Take note that each color needs both a light and dark version defined. It's paramount because this is what allows the toggle switch to function between light and dark mode seamlessly. Now let's get our hands on a toggle switch. You can either choose to find a pre-built toggle component from the Framer community, or, if you're feeling adventurous, create one from scratch. Either option works perfectly, so go with the one that best suits your comfort level and project timeline. If you decide to use an existing toggle component, you'll find a remix link typically provided in a tutorial video. From there, you can conveniently drag the toggle component from the remix project into your own. Such a process ensures that you're adopting a tried and tested component. After obtaining your toggle component, paste it onto your canvas. Once it's there, it's time to connect the toggle component to your light and dark theme frames. This step is critical as this connection allows your switch to actually toggle between the two color styles you've created. Next, you'll need to apply the color styles to your design elements. You'll use the color styles you created initially. Simply select an element and choose the appropriate color style. This adds visual depth to your design and ensures that the toggle button will function correctly. Now the best part, you're all set. The moment you click on the toggle button, you will see your design theme dynamically switch between the light and dark versions of your colors. This transformation provides an alternative and immersive experience for your users, enabling them to interact with your design according to their own lighting preferences. Happy designing!